Hi there, and welcome back to Stubbs Aquatics. This will be a quick episode on how we're making out with this lovely cold weather. It's currently minus 12 Celsius, which is about 10 degrees Fahrenheit. So you think you want to be a northern koi pond owner, right? Well, this pond is completely frozen in. It's got a good snow cover. There's no air bubbler going on that, so. And same with the bog pond, it's completely frozen. As you can see, this pond's still open. Just a couple weeks ago, it was warm, the fish were active. They're now down deep where they should be. The aerators are doing their job, keeping the pond open. This one here is doing really well. It's one I usually have a problem with, but since it's got the light bulb and a real powerful pump going, it's doing great. As for the koi, unfortunately I can't see them, but I'm sure they're doing fine in this 6-foot deep pond. That snow's really coming down now. Supposed to get at least a foot today. Thankfully we're not near Buffalo or London, Ontario, where they've got about 3 to 5 feet of snow. You see, Marty just loves this stuff. She's like a kid playing in the snow, just loves it. Anyways, like I said, this is a real short, quick video on ponding in northern climates. The pond will stay this way until April. It hasn't frozen over solid enough to walk on. Marty will let me know when it's safe because she'll go on it then. Well, thanks guys. Man, it's beautiful here. I gotta move south. Till next time guys, take care and enjoy your day.